There is a new release from Rongrong DeVoe, including a brand new product. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I have some brand new goodies from Rongrong DeVoe. These goodies launch on May the 15th, 12 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 11 a.m. here in Texas. And I'm so excited because for the first time we have some beautiful journals from Rongrong DeVoe that I cannot wait to unbox. So not only do we have the monthly planning kit, which of course I will talk about and flip through, but the new journal. So we're going to open everything, check it all out. Let's go. As a reminder, I do have an affiliate link for Rongrong, and I also have a discount code. And if you use that code, you save on your order, and every little bit helps. That's for darn sure. So let's check out the new journals. The first one is called All Booked Up. It is a book lover's journal. Beautiful box. I love when they come with pretty boxes because I feel like it's a keepsake. You know what I mean? Like it's something that after you're done with the journal, you can then save it in. This is beautiful gold foiling on the sides, all booked up, beautiful roses. Here is what the back looks like. Very solid feeling cover. I like that there's a pen loop right here. That is amazing. So let's check out what it looks like. Oh, a new sweet thing from Rongrong. I like the new card. Very pretty. So it says this book belongs to... Flipping through, here's your book wish list. I love that it's a hardbound book. So a lot of times with things like your creative journal or your book journal, you want something a little smaller to be by your bedside, books to read. I still think this is big enough to write in, which is important to me because I have kind of big handwriting. Then we have reading trackers, daily reading tracker. For the, I guess minutes or pages, just depending on what you're doing. Reading log. Reading log. Used to be fun to add like little tabs on the side. Love. It's kind of like a bullet journal, but that's already done for you. Lots of reading log. 50 book challenge. Several of those, the 100 book challenge. Then you have these to fill in to track books. You just color them in every time you read a new book. Books of the month. Books of the month. So you cut out or print out a little book cover and say what book it is and what month, and you rate it. Very cute. Oh, I guess you could put the month right here, and then those are the books you're reading. Maybe if you're following like, I don't know, Jenna's Reading Club, the Reese Reading Club, Book Club, those type of things. It would help you keep track of what books you're reading. I love all the illustrations already done for you. So yeah, you have these for all 12 months, for sure. So maybe you could either track the ones you read that month, or if you're looking ahead and planning for like book club purposes, that would make sense. All the books of the month. Okay. More places to color in. And then you have book review. You put the cover here, title, author, genre, date published, the format, number of pages, start date, finish date. Did you enjoy it? Would you read it again? A little summary. And then your full review, favorite moment, and what page it was on, book quotes. Love that. I think that's cool. It's like concise, you know, you don't have to overdo it. Book reviews, those are fun. So you're going to have a lot of pages of those, is my guess. We also have this piece. We'll look at that in a second, but let's just keep going to see. Okay, tons of pages of the book reviews. So lots of room for all the books. I love that. Love that. And look how pretty. So good. Okay, so after book reviews, then, so this one's all filled out, friends. More things to color. Love that. Book club. Book club date, time, title, author, what are you doing, attendees, and what did they rate? That's fun. And then the average rating, itinerary, and discussion questions. That's fun. Let me know if you're in a book club. I'm intrigued to know. I've always wanted to do a book club, but I've never made the leap. And then at the back of the journal, you have some dot grid pages for anything you want. Oh, wait, there's more stuff. Oh, wait, okay. Hold up. I got too excited. Dot grid here. Now, something I always look for is the dot grid lined up across the page? That is really important to me. And this one is, it's a nice dot grid. Book awards. Oh, my favorites. Favorite author, favorite book, favorite genre, favorite quotes. Best book, favorite characters, which book made you memorable. This might be fun at the end of the year to fill out. Most thought-provoking read, most challenging read. Oh, look how cute. I really like this one. Love. Favorite book quotes. How cute is that? And then some more dot grid. This is to the end. And again, the fact that the dot grid lines up, really important to me. And here's the back. You have a little piece right here, a little envelope to hold bits and pieces. Then you have this, which will close your book. And as I said before, you have a bookmark right here. I'm guessing, well, I mean, you can put it wherever, but cute with a little gold charm. Love that. Super cute. Love. That's nice. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I kind of like the hardbound version of her reading journal, the Book Lovers Journal. I like it more than I liked the discbound version. I think that's nice and compact, beautiful. The cover feels great. That is really cool. So that is all booked up, a Book Lovers Journal. Super cute. That one's awesome. Okay, so that's one of the new journals, but wait, there's more. There's another new journal called In My Soft Girl Era. Oh my goodness, stop it. Look how pretty. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Open. Let's see if I can pull this out. Okay. It has real lace, you guys. There's real lace detail, a real ribbon, these little pearl beads right there. That's a cool touch. You don't see that very often. Beautiful gold foiling, so it's going to look pretty on your shelf. Stripes. Oh, that's so, so pretty. Okay, let's flip through this one. Another little card. This journal belongs to So Pretty. I think this one, yeah, is just going to be the dot grid. Is it dot grid throughout? It is. I love it. This might be my next creative journal. So pretty. Again, the dot grid, a beautiful color. It's like a gray color, which I love. Not too bold. It lines up so the spacing is consistent. The paper quality, pretty thick. I don't know if it marks on here what the paper quality is, but I mean, this is pretty thick. This is going to hold up. Yeah, I like that. This is lovely. Does it lay flat? Now, most of them don't lay flat right at the start. You kind of have to train it. So if I open, will it lay flat? It does. It does pretty well. You have to, again, you got to train the books, you guys. Any of them. It's made to lay flat. Does that make sense? You just have to do the thing. And it doesn't affect this outside part. Because see how it has like the doubleness? If that makes sense. Like there's a double binding right here. So it will lay flat. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like it. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, you have the little envelope back here if you're going to use this for like junk journaling or just to save little trinkets. Pink is the color that wraps around, which is beautiful. I feel like I would want to add something else to the front, like a beautiful sticker or something. So that might happen. It has the loop right here, which is always appreciated. And of course, another beautiful bookmark. Just like that. Oh, I love it. Look how pretty. Also, this bookmark is like looped. So I wonder if you could use it on multiple pages. So the way I have one that has 2 bookmarks, and one of them is bookmarked where I'm writing, and one of them is bookmarked how far I've decorated. So I would like do this and be able to turn to it. Maybe. What do we think? Do we think that that would work, or would you just have it as the loop? How fun though, because you could also add, because it's a loop, you could easily add more charms. How cute would that be to add a few more little charms? I think that would be so fun. That's really nice, you guys. Okay, I'm pretty pleased because sometimes companies come out with journals or bullet journals, things like that, and they're just not great quality, in all honesty, but this one really, really is. So I will wholeheartedly endorse that for sure. 2 different brand new journals, all booked up for book lovers. This one is just a gorgeous creative journal. Love, love, love. Both of those are releasing on the 15th. Again, 12 p.m. Eastern time, 11 a.m. and Central time. But wait, there's more. So I'm going to move those. We also have the monthly planning kit that is releasing in May, La Dolce Vita Summer. Let's check that out next. Okay, so this is the May planning kit, La Dolce Vita Summer. I am beyond excited to check it out. So with the planning kit, this is a monthly subscription. So you sign up for the subscription, and then it is a surprise each month what is delivered to your door. You always get a beautiful pen, loving the yellow, very summer, very cute. This is cool. Oh, you guys, look, there's like this little fidget thing right here. How cool is that? It's like a ball bearing that moves around. I'm the person that always does this, like puts like fidgets and puts my finger under the little clip, and therefore I end up breaking them off. So now I don't have to do that. That's cool. Love that. Beautiful kind of soft pen. Love, love, love. Then you have this kit, and this kit includes all kinds of stickers, papers, vellum. It's a fun kit to play with. So let's check it out. La Dolce Vita Summer. Functional stickers under the Amalfi Sun. Oh my goodness. I love, so pretty. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Different functional words, personal appointment, lots of bullet points. Loving that. All the days of the week, little calendar moments. Cute. Lots of fonts. Ooh, is this a sticker? Ooh, so it's a smaller font, which is kind of nice. Little alpha stickers, and I like this sticker on the side. That's pretty cool too. Loving. That's nice. All right, these are clear stickers. Celebrate the sweet life. So beautiful. Love the illustrations. That's nice. So cute. Under the Amalfi Sun. I love the maps, wine list. Oh, the lemons. I've been really into lemons lately, just as a decor item. Loving. Chasing Coastal Dreams. Beautiful. How fun is that? Love. La Dolce Vita Summer. So cute. So those are all clear stickers. Then you have these are washi tape stickers. So they do tear just like washi tape. Loving the tile look. Stripes. You have the girls. Beautiful. You get 2 pages of washi tape stickers. Joy in the simple moments. Yes, please. Love. So cute. Then you have vellum that you can pop into your planner. I like to show the vellum like this so you can see it. Beautiful orange stripes. So cute. Love. That's one vellum. 2, this as wallpaper would make me so happy. Love the lemons. Very fun. Look at that. Loving it. Beautiful. So pretty. The tile look is lovely. Then we have papers. So these are scrap papers, not super thick, not like cardstock. That'd be fun to tear along that edge. I like the kind of photo look there. Cute. Very junk journal-esque. Loving. So cool. Love. Oh my goodness. I love these so much. I know I keep saying that, but I really, really, really do. Then, so you get all of those. That's 19 pages. And then you get PET tape. And here's the PET tape. It's extra long usually. You got the girls. These are like clear stickers. It's a matte finish. I really enjoy the PET tape because I feel like I don't have to skimp on using stickers because I just have fun putting them in. Look at that scene. So pretty. So good. Celebrate the sweet life. Oh, look at the, oh, it's so great. Y'all, I'm slightly obsessed. I'm slightly obsessed with this one. This is going to be so perfect. So here's the deal. Normally, I would do a plan with me with you all, and I would use the new kit and have so much fun with it, showing you how I'm going to use it. But I'm not going to do that this time because here's the problem. This is the perfect kit for me to take with me on the Greek Isle cruise that I'm going on this summer. We are starting in Italy. We are cruising the Greek Isles, and this is going to be perfect. I love doing a travel journal on the way, and this is like the most perfect compact travel little bits and pieces that I can bring with me and not take up a ton of room. I can't wait. So I don't want to use any of these stickers in advance because I want to use them on my trip. So stay tuned. I will definitely share more about that travel journal, but that's what I love about the Rongrong subscription is that it has a seasonal feel. It's got a twist though. It's not necessarily holiday, and it's perfect for some of those special moments in your life. And it's just perfect to plan with and journal with. It is awesome. What a fun release. I can't wait to hear what you all think. Are you in your book bound era? Like, are you loving the regular bound journals? Let me know down below, but these are absolutely beautiful. I'm excited to play with them. As a reminder, I do have that affiliate link for Rongrong DeVoe. Doesn't cost you any more. And in fact, if you use my coupon code, you'll save a little bit, but it definitely helps my channel when you're able to shop that link. So thank you in advance. All of the goodies release on May the 15th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 11 a.m. Central Time. Make sure to head to Rongrong's website, use that affiliate link, and do your shopping because I think some of these, I love the Book Lovers Journal. So these are so pretty and different than what we've seen, which is always fun. It's always fun to see. So that is the new release. Let me know what you think down below. Otherwise, I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.